Let's wrap up 2022. It's been an amazing year, it's been a challenging year, and we have delivered tons of new things on Easynote. So thank you very much for all your support for this year. We are so happy to have you all in using our platform. So let's talk about what we have achieved on easynote.com. Now, the first thing is Easynote has been transformed into 5 in one tool. Basically, we have 5 different tools built into one, and this is only beginning. So if we start by the first one, the project management or task management part, which is alternative to Monday or ClickUp, we have improved the efficiency, we improved the speed, we added custom statuses, custom responsible, and on top of it, we have delivered a new timeline or Ganttchart, which has been proven that it's one of the most powerful, most beautiful Gantt charts on the market, where you can add unlimited widgets, timeline widgets, compare different parts, add different colors, and you can quickly see things in a full screen if you would like to, or per day, per week, quarters, month, you decide. Now, if we go back to the second application that we built, is the files application. This application, you can store all your files, basically an alternative to like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. But the best part is you can actually sync your Google Drive or OneDrive directly into the files applications. Not only that, but you can actually share files from this file application with outside people outside Easynote and give them only read-only access. And the best part is the files you upload in the files application, then you can actually access them into the project management part or any other applications. So what we have done is we have linked all these 5 different applications between each other and they speak with each other. And this is extremely powerful. The next application I would like to introduce that we have delivered is Documents. It's basically alternative to Confluence or Notion. You can write your documents, you can save things as a template or organize them into different folders. Now, another thing you can do is you can link directly tasks, documents, files directly inside the Documents application. But the best part is we have introduced something that we call Easy Write, which is an AI. And that's built on top ChatGPT, so you can generate any type of document inside here in the documents file. So for example, if you like to have a sales contract, just please write me a sales contract. It will generate this for you, and you can then save this as a template. Fantastic. The third app we delivered is Meetings app. And that application is basically alternative to Fellow.app. You can sync unlimited Google and Outlook calendars. You can create your calendars events directly from the application itself. You can see all your meetings you have from all these calendars in one single place. And on top of it, you can create meeting minutes. So if you have a meeting with the client every week or whatever, you can write down different notes. And next time you have a meeting again, you can just create a new version of it and then compare the meetings from previous and forward. But not only that, what we can do, or you can do, is you can write down meeting minutes connected to your calendar events. So if you click on one of these calendar events in Easynote, you can just click either join meetings directly from Easynote, but also you can write down meeting minutes connected to the different calendar events. So if I would like to go back and see what I talked about on a certain meeting, I can just quickly do that. Then what we have introduced is the personal dashboard. We have improved dashboard or redesigned it totally, basically. But on the personal dashboard, the most 3 things we do, or I do, or many of us, are go to tons of meetings, do different tasks, and write different notes. So we thought, what's not better way to create actually a personal dashboard where we can manage all these 3 things at once? So what we can do is manage our personal tasks, but we have also introduced a way for you to see all the tasks you are responsible on Easynote across all projects in one place. You can know exactly what you need to do either today, tomorrow, or whatever. The other part we introduced is, or redesigned, is the task gadget. So now it's easier to see who's responsible for different tasks and where. And the other part, we have introduced one of the most powerful things when it comes to timeline and Ganttchart. We got a request, is there a way for us to see timelines between different projects and where we can compare them? So yes, we actually built this and we delivered this. So now you can actually compare the timelines between different projects at once. We have also delivered a mobile app for Android, and we have also actually sent in the mobile app for Apple, so we are just waiting for the approval. We improved the search bar, we improved the notifications. So we have delivered tons of new things to Easynote only in 2022. So now you can imagine what we will be delivering in 2023, and I'm so excited about what we're about to do. So I would like to say thank you to all of you who are using our tool, who are supporting us, to our team at Easynote, and I'm really looking forward to deliver even more with our fantastic team to you in 2023. All the best, and see you on easynote.com. Bye-bye.